Hey guys, I'm back with another dual form video, but this one's a little different, so stay with me. As always, start with your manicure and prep, then pick the right dual form size. Use a marker to trace your smile line, just like this. For this technique, we're gonna need some fiberglass. Apply a thin layer of builder gel inside the form. Just make sure you don't go over that smile line you marked earlier. Now place the fiberglass right on top of the builder gel. Make sure to spread it out evenly. You want it smooth and nice all the way through. The fiberglass shouldn't be thick or layered at all. Make sure to separate the fibers so they soak into the builder gel completely. Cure it for about 10 seconds. Then go over those same areas with another thin layer of builder gel. You don't need to add too much, because the fiberglass already makes it a lot stronger and harder. Cure it for about 20 seconds. Now just fill in the empty spots with builder gel and place the form onto the nail. Cure it for a few seconds, but make sure the light doesn't hit the free edge yet. Then flip your hand over. You're going to be shocked at how thin and clean it looks. Go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Can you believe it's both super thin and super strong? I'm calling this method super slim, super strong. What do you think? No filing needed at all. Just smooth out the free edge and get the length you want. Then lightly buff the surface. Use a drill bit, about 1 millimeter thick, to clean up the C-curve and underneath the nail. Now let's move on to the nail art. Here I'm using paint gel instead of regular gel polish. And that's the final look. I really hope you guys liked it. Your likes and comments always keep me motivated. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that bell so you don't miss the next one.